I like this, as you can tell. Hi everybody, so welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another healthy version of the Midway. We are going to be doing deep fried pineapple rings. I know I said healthy, deep fried, but there's fruit. There's fruit in there, right? So it's healthy. Another thing we are going to be doing today to continue our healthy Midway, Dole Whip. So let's get to the kitchen and start making our healthy Midway food.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.
Okay guys, these smell amazing. They smell like mini donuts. I put some cinnamon sugar on some of them and icing sugar on the other ones. They are like crunchy, delicious. And then we have Dole Whip. I'm excited for the Dole Whip because I had it in Hawaii, loved it. I had it at Disney World, loved it. So first I think I'm going to try these pineapple. Let's try a little bit. Yum! I like it with the cinnamon sugar. It tastes exactly like an apple pie when you eat the cinnamon sugar. That is really good. You're gonna try, what are you gonna try first?
Dole Whip.
Okay, you can try the Dole Whip first. I haven't tried the Dole Whip yet. I was just trying the pineapples there. Can you tell me what it tastes like? Does it taste like the Dole Whip we had in Disney World? Would you love it if I made that more?
Yeah.
Is it creamy?
Yes.
What else?
It's very pineapple-y.
Oh, okay, okay. I'll make that again. Is it better than Booster Juice Pineapple Freeze?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay, do you want to try the deep fried pineapple rings? Take a bite. Just a small bite.
It tastes like mini donuts
Doesn't it? You don't even taste the pineapple.
with a little bit of a fruity taste.
Would you make it again?
Maybe.
Yeah, it's good. I think it'd be good with apples. Your favorite thing about Stampede that you're gonna miss this year?
All the rides.
All the rides?
Yeah.
What's your favorite ride?
I think it would be like the crazy Time Mouse ride.
You do like that. What's your favorite food from Stampede?
Chicken on a stick.
Oh, we're making that this week. Okay, there's a little bite missing out of here because my niece came and she tried it, which is shocking because she tries nothing usually, but she did try it and she liked it. I would definitely make these again. They're just basically like sweet, fruity mini donuts and they're healthy. They taste like an apple pie. You could even do apple slices with this, we were thinking. So next I'm going to try the Dole Whip. It's really creamy and tastes tropically, like it feels like I'm in Hawaii. I love this. You take a bite and you're like, wow, this is really good. Like, yes, it becomes like a soft serve almost. It has the texture of gelato. That's what it is. It's creamy, but fruity. This is delicious. We already put like a pretty good dent in it. It also is very citrusy. Like, it does have a sour taste to it at the end, which I like. It's not just all sweet. I like this, as you can tell.
She's taking so many bites.
I would definitely make both of these things again. This is probably going to be a weekly occurrence in my house because we really like cold things during the summer. This I want to try with apples instead of just pineapple. Hit the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I put up a new video. July 3rd to July 12th, I'll have a new video up every day, as you've seen if you are subscribed. So see you guys tomorrow when I make some other Midway goodies. See you guys later. Bye.
Wish we could fly away.